You still need to test it.
It's probably about the same.
You.
Saying bless you after a collab partner sneezes would be impressive. It's doable now. Actually, when testing earlier, I coughed and then she said bless you.
Oh, I see. So you're that kind of person.
Do it again. Okay, but I don't... Okay, but I don't know what she's gonna say to it anymore, but...
I think that's enough of Beetle chatting Beetle. Bless you, Beetle.
There you go.
Thank you, Beetle. You succeeded, aha.
I know. Crazy. She heard me cough. What?
I have, like, ears, Beetle. Duh. I'm full of excitement.